guys, we are going to make our own turban headband wig. First you need a turban of your liking and a wig grip here. I got a wig grip and I'm going to attach the wig grip to the turban. Make sure you turn it inside out so that when you attach it the correct way, the wig grip will adhere correctly. So I'm just showing you how I'm going to put the wig grip onto the turban. I will be using a glue gun to do this, so I'm just making sure that everything is flat and testing it out to see how to actually adhere it together. So you're just laying it out with the wig grip. Okay, now this is the actual wig that I will be using to make the headband wig. As you can see, it's an old wig. I suggest you use one that you don't really like. I use this one because it's just too much hair for my face. So what we're going to do is cut the perimeter, cut the top of the wig, the crown of the wig out. And on every wig you'll be at the crown of the wig because how the lace is different and the wefts are different. So you're going to cut around that part. Just cut it all the way out. Once you cut it all the way out, you'll have two pieces of the wig, and I'll show you there will be another video on using the back part, the end part of the wig, to make a hat wig. Trust me, very easy. So now we're back to cutting the top of the turban out, because now we have adhered the headband, the wig grip to the head, to the turban. So now we're just cutting out the top of the turban so that we can actually glue the crown of the wig that we cut out to the turban. So I'm just trying to cut this out right here. It's a little tough because just know I only got one hand, y'all. But I'm gonna give it my all and try. So these scissors are pretty sharp. I've already cut myself like twice already trying to use one hand, but just cutting it away, the top part of the turban. And once we cut out the top part of the turban, we will be gluing the rest. We'll be gluing the top part of the wig that we cut out to the turban. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like once you have cut out the top part of your turban, or whatever you want to use to adhere the top part of your wig. Just make sure that it fits snug on your head. If not, attach a wig grip so that you can adjust it to your liking. So now I'm going to attach the wig to the turban. I'm just showing you here how it's going to be attached. You see that all the way around. We're going to hot glue gun that wig top to the turban. Okay, looks like here I'm trying to figure out which way this goes. Okay. I have it twisted. Just make sure you untwist all of your wig grip so that you know which way that you are attaching your wig. Okay, so now we're ready to attach the wig to the turban. Okay, here we are here with the hot glue gun attaching the wig to the turban. We're attaching the turban to the wig, and you're gonna attach it to the whole perimeter of the top part that you have cut out. You cut out the top part and hot glue it down. You may have to fold down the part that you actually glued to make a clean attachment to the top part of the turban. So you're just going to go all the way around and attach the wig. And once you have attached the wig all the way around, this will be your final results. So this is what I came up with. It is a turban wig, and because of the length of the hair, it actually like falls over, cascades to the side, and I love it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.
1, 2, 3.